Okay, so here I am in the Visual Studio 2019 and I'm about to create a brand new project. So this is the process that you'll go through every time you sit down to do a new program in our class. You're going to start by creating a new project. And then always you'll go with this top choice here, which is the empty project. So I'll go ahead and click on that and do a next. And you want to give your project a nice meaningful name. Like for example, let's say this was the first homework assignment. I can say HW1. And very importantly, you want to make sure you're putting your project or saving your project in a location where you're going to be able to find it afterwards. So I typically will put things on the desktop. You're probably the same way. So make sure you browse for your preferred location. And that's it. We'll go ahead and click Create. Might take a few seconds, especially the first time you're using the software. You might have to wait a moment. So here we are in the empty project, and our next step is to add a code file or a source file where we can type our program. And you'll do that by going to this is called the Solution Explorer, this pane here, and you can see we have these little yellow folders. You're going to right click on source files, add new item. And this is the choice that you'll always take in this class, which is the C++ file with the .cpp extension. And we'll talk more about that in another video. But you maybe want to give your source file a nice meaningful name. Like I'll just keep going with HW1 and maybe HW1 code or something like that. And then that's it. You're just going to click Add. And now here's our source file where we would type the code. I'm not going to get into code in this video, but obviously we'll be talking a lot about code throughout the semester. And that's it. One more quick thing in this video. If you don't see your Solution Explorer, for example, let's say this is all gone. Maybe you closed it accidentally, or maybe it was never there. You can always get that by going to the View menu. I'm up here in the View menu, and then Solution Explorer is right there. So that'll get that pane back in case you lose it. Okay.